Hello, welcome back to Worldwide Giant Growers. What I want to talk to you today with Bubba's Fix-It Tips is check out our playlist, turn on your notifications and subscribe if you like our video. But what I want to talk to you today is about cordless drills. I've always noticed for the past 20 years, all my buddies are like, hey man, I got the 18 volt. Oh, I got the 24 volt. I got you beat, man. Hey, I'm on high. I got him on a number 2, man. Nobody uses these things on slow speed. But you know what? There's a reason for slow speed. And the reason is, I can show you today our table here. Our table is stripped out. Show them these holes here. These holes are stripped out. We went to put the table back together, and when we put the screws in here, they have been stripped out. And the reason they are is because everybody's drill is in high. So in situations like this, you'd like to have the drill on low. So I have my Ryobi with a lithium battery, and I really don't care what kind of medication you're on. You need to be on slow. Slow down and use the drill so we don't strip it out. So what I'm doing today, because some big gorilla stripped out my screws, is I broke out the Gorilla Glue. So I'm taking the Gorilla Glue, and what we'll do is we'll shoot some in every hole. All right, what this is gonna do, and I love this glue because it expands, this is going to expand around the threads and help this hold. So there you go. There you have it, Gorilla Glue. I will put this on here. I'll place this on here in position that it goes. And then we'll put the screws in on slow. Now, one guy told me, he says, man, you got a lot of nerve, Bubba. He says, you got a big pair. My friend Paul told me I needed to grow a pair. I said, hey, I'm confused. So I went on eBay and I bought me a pair for $9.99 on eBay. You can get yourself a pair too. But hey, join us at Bubba's Home Fix-It Tips and worldwidegiantgrowers.com. Maybe I need the lithium. All right, man. We'll talk to you soon, man. Keep them growing and keep it a secret, but go tell a friend.